Welcome back to Home Decorny, the place where design dreams come alive, and where we share the freshest ideas in modern living, architecture, and home innovation. Today, we invite you to step into one of the most fascinating and rapidly growing design movements shaping the way we live in 2025. Tiny concrete houses at first glance. These homes may appear modest in size, but their impact is anything but small. They embody creativity, sustainability, and clever problem solving, proving that living well is not about square footage, but about thoughtful design. For decades, concrete was often dismissed as cold, heavy, and industrial. Yet today, it has been reborn, transformed into a celebrated material that embodies both strength and beauty. Modern architects and designers are breathing new life into it, showcasing concrete's versatility as it shifts from being purely structural to deeply aesthetic. In their hands, concrete has become almost poetic, balancing toughness with elegance, blending seamlessly into both vibrant cities and serene countryside landscapes. But tiny concrete houses are more than structures. They are statements of a new way of living. They remind us that luxury isn't measured in excess, but in intention. A home doesn't need to be large to feel expansive. It only needs to be designed with care, clarity, and vision. Across the globe, people are rethinking how much space they truly need. The tiny home movement has shifted from a fringe trend to a global reimagining of modern life. With smaller homes comes less maintenance, less energy use, and less clutter. Yet what is lost in size is more than made up for in freedom, creativity, and connection to what truly matters. Designers of tiny concrete houses have mastered the art of space. Imagine a room that feels twice its size because of light pouring through floor-to-ceiling windows. Picture sliding glass walls that erase the barrier between indoors and outdoors, inviting fresh air and nature inside. Picture staircases that hide entire closets within their steps, or dining tables that unfold into workstations in seconds. Every corner is considered. Every wall has purpose. It's minimalism, but without sacrifice. Kitchens, though compact, feel sleek and modern, blending naturally into open living areas. Sleeping spaces are cleverly tucked into lofts or mezzanines, freeing up precious square meters for daily life below. The result: homes that feel uncluttered, airy, and deeply in tune with the rhythm of living. And in 2025, what makes these homes shine brightest is their commitment to sustainability. Eco-conscious living is no longer an afterthought, it is a necessity. Builders are experimenting with low-carbon concrete blends, recycled aggregates, and even carbon-capturing technologies to reduce environmental impact. Many designs feature green roof slush with grasses, herbs, or vegetables that insulate homes while providing food and beauty. Solar panels, passive ventilation, and high-efficiency insulation turn these houses into energy-saving machines. Rainwater harvesting and graywater recycling minimize waste. These are not just shelters for people. They are shelters for the planet. Another revolution within this movement is prefabrication. Tiny concrete houses are increasingly being built in modular pieces at factories and then assembled on site. This approach slashes building time, lowers costs, and ensures precision in every detail. It also makes these homes accessible to younger generations, priced out of traditional housing markets, whether in bustling cities or remote rural landscapes. Prefab tiny concrete homes are redefining what it means to own a home: flexible, sustainable, and affordable. And forget the stereotype of concrete being cold or lifeless. Designers in 2025 are giving it warmth and soul. Some homes combine rustic charm with modern sturdiness. Pitched roofs, arched doorways, exposed concrete softened by timber beams and stone detailing. These cottages feel as if they belong to both the future and the past, timeless, yet new. Others lean into industrial chic. Smooth gray walls, polished concrete floors, steel accents. Yet even in these minimalist spaces, warmth is added through soft lighting, textiles, and greenery. Concrete, once rigid, now carries character. For many, tiny concrete homes are more than practical. They are about freedom. Off-grid models are becoming increasingly popular. Imagine a house deep in the forest, powered entirely by solar energy, collecting its own rainwater and cycling waste through composting systems. With concrete's natural thermal mass, these homes stay cool in summer and warm in winter, using far less energy than conventional houses. It's independence, it's harmony with nature, it's modern comfort without compromise. Energy efficiency doesn't end with the basics. Smart home systems are being integrated into even the smallest houses. From intelligent lighting that adjusts to your routine, to appliances that optimize energy use, these homes combine sustainability with cutting-edge convenience. Vertical gardens and climbing green facades are appearing on concrete walls in dense cities, turning gray streets into living, breathing environments. And as land becomes scarce, vertical design, rooftop terraces, mezzanine spaces, narrow but tall layouts makes these tiny homes the perfect solution for urban living at their heart. Though these homes are about more than efficiency or design, they represent a cultural shift. They reflect values changing worldwide, a desire for sustainability, a preference for experiences over possessions, and a belief that less can indeed be more. They invite us to slow down, to savor natural light streaming into a room, to enjoy the simplicity of a loft bed or a rooftop herb garden. They teach us to live with intention, creativity, and purpose. From sleek micro-apartments in Tokyo to rugged mountain retreats in Colorado. From minimalist studios flooded with sunlight to eco-cottages, thriving off-grid in Scandinavia, tiny concrete homes are telling a story of resilience, a story of balance, a story of hope. They remind us that a home's true beauty lies not in its size, but in its harmony with life itself. So as we look to the future, tiny concrete houses stand as beacons of what is possible. Yet smart, sustainable, yet stylish, simple, yet full of meaning. Thank you for joining us here at Home Decorny. If these ideas sparked your imagination, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into the world of design and architecture. And remember, no matter the size of your house, may it always be filled with creativity, beauty, and purpose.